Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we have an interesting project to talk about. I do want to let you know right out of the gate that we have been sponsored by them. They are paying for this video, so just to have full disclosure up front, and also to let you guys know that above all else, I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm here to bring you different forms of entertainment and let you know about different things that come across my path that you guys might be interested in, might want to take a closer look at. But the important thing is that you always do your own due diligence and do your own research, and never let anyone on this side of the screen tell you what you should be doing with your money. You might take a look at it, but that's all I'm suggesting. Anyways, that kind of out of the way, we are going to jump into today's video. So we are talking about Qutom, actually, which is a project that's focused on green and, you know, utilizing renewable energy trading and stuff of that nature. The biggest one that is on focus for them is hydrogen, but overall, just the idea of green finance. Like you have a lot of a big build in the green sector just in general, and so they have positioned themselves to take advantage of that, and they are attempting to, you know, financially benefit from it, obviously. But we'll read a little bit about it here. Hydrogen power at its very best with the Qutom power sectional upgrade now allows individual energy traders to participate independently. As the global power grid undergoes a monumental shift towards renewable energy sources, particularly in the hydroelectric power sector, the trading landscape has experienced unprecedented growth. This transformation wave, which began gaining traction in 2013, has positioned Qutom at the forefront of consistent profit generation, thanks to their cutting-edge algorithms and strategic market projection. There is an increased demand for sustainable energy solutions, and that has overall increased the adoption of, you know, various green power, and this is no exception for the hydroelectric power sector. But because they recognized this early on, it allowed them to kind of focus in on the hydrogen area. And they have since, you know, focused on making their business model almost entirely around it. They claim here that they seamlessly integrate their your hydropower plant into virtual power plants using either your plant's protocol interface or their their proprietary Nextbox interface, enabling electricity trading on European power exchanges. So that will overall allow you to trade, well, those individuals to trade it. And if you're investing in it, this basically opens up the door for some potential, or they claim that you might be able to generate some revenue with yourself for yourself using this. You can earn electricity exchange revenues along with proceeds from the sale of your certificates of origin and green electricity certificates. By collecting and analyzing data, they have enabled competitive trading of renewable energy while supporting the integration of decentralized systems in the market. They have multiple ways of trading this. It suggests they have virtual power plant on long-term, short-term, and reserve power markets. This way, they create a new source of income for all participants of the next pool and minimize the risk of blackouts in Belgium. And they claim that their team has been in this sector since 2008 and acquired over 200 different hydropower plants across Europe. Their expert team is bringing extensive industry knowledge, financial expertise, and a proven track record, enabling them to execute a wide range of successful transactions. Today, they maintain a robust portfolio and a strong investment pipeline, supported by an active asset management strategy that generates economies of scale. But in order to interact with this at all, you're going to have to sign up, and it'll take you to a sign up page, but then once you are signed in, it will log you in. Now, this is a dummy account they have given me access to, so these funds aren't real, but basically this is how you would operate and utilize any trades that you want to make through the platform. You have your deposit where you can select what kind of way you want to deposit onto it. Pretty self-explanatory. You enter the amounts you want, all of those kinds of things. You have your different yields. They have 3 different ones available: residential, public, and industrial, so you can select whichever one's best for you. This is going to be where you do your staking and things of that nature, but what this represents is 3,500 worth of funding. Let's say you made 735 back on your investment. Off of that, you could then turn around and withdraw that if you wanted. They do have a withdraw tab here, where you can select and swap between your wallets and different things like that, all very simply without too much issue. But let's say you wanted to go ahead and do a GP trade. You could go in here, select your funding wallet, enter the amount that you wish to enter. The minimum is $3,000 US, and it looks like it goes all the way up to $1 million US that you can stake. So here I'm going to go ahead and enter that 3,500. Okay. And yeah, and then you're able to stake that. And as you can see, it went through, and you can see a timeline of it, how much you're staking, the potential profits off of it, and all of that kind of stuff. It gives you pretty much all the information right there on your yield tracker over here. I did want to mention over on X or Twitter, however you prefer, they have posted photos from their upgrade conference. We at Qutom would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to everyone who attended our sectional upgrade conference. Your unwavering support has been instrumental in their journey, enabling them to achieve significant advancements in their operations. Thanks to your contributions, they have successfully completed their sectional upgrade, allowing individual power holders to actively participate and earn guaranteed profits across their diverse hydrogen sector. As we look forward to the future, they are excited to share that by 2026, they anticipate a surge in green energy profit generation to exceed 80%, surpassing their initial prediction of 70%. This growth demonstrates not only the robustness of the business model, but also the tremendous potential within the renewable energy space. Investing in Qutom means being part of a forward-thinking, sustainable energy revolution. They are committed to continuing this upward trajectory, creating value for their partners and contributing to a greener and more profitable future for everyone. And yeah, so they seem pretty dedicated to this. As I mentioned before, I would just always suggest you do your own research on it, but it seems pretty interesting. I think whenever it comes to crypto in general, whenever you have people who are working in the green energy sector, that's always a thing of interest to me, because it's like, we all have heard the reports that crypto can be very damaging for the planet, and it generates a lot of heat, a lot of problems, all kinds of stuff. So anything that's trying to kind of essentially give back, I think could be good, but we gotta wait and see. We gotta wait and see how it goes. But if you're interested, we'll have links in the description for you to go check them out. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comments below. Are you gonna hop on the Qutom train, or are you a little hesitant? Just let us know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.